Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about yet another visualization that we have to offer as a part of our Qualitex platform. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the exception word cloud visualization. But before I talk about this particular visualization, it's only fair to reiterate what we have to offer as a part of our Qualitex platform and how it can add value to your AI and analytics efforts. Qualitex platform can connect to any kind of web, mobile, or software application and gather streaming data to provide continuous insights and intelligence to inform you on your customer activity, product usage, and any kind of issues or incidents that happen in your application, and that too proactively. Let's go to exception word cloud. Now, exception word cloud visualization is actually a boon for developers. Usually what happens is the developers get to know about the issues which are emanating in a particular software application, unfortunately, the last. But they are the ones who are actually doing all the work on the software in order to ensure that the production is running seamlessly in order to give out a superior user experience to the software users. The exception word cloud application as we have here, again, is in with this particular date range. And it actually tells us about which exception is occurring exactly where. And we get to know about it by the size of this particular link or the size of the font of this particular error or exception which occurs. And this thumbnail is also clickable. It can be expanded. So I click on this thumbnail, and the moment I click on this thumbnail, again, I get to see additional filtering capabilities in terms of context, action, actor, and start date and end date. Context, as we know, are the features of your specific application. In this exception word cloud, what we get to know is this particular error is the largest. The font of this is the largest. So of course, this is occurring very often. So when I click here, I get to know that this is the particular exception. That's the URL of this exception. It tells us about which date this particular exception has occurred. And it also gives us the ability to look at a tabular representation of the error or exceptions. Once I move my cursor to this coordinate, I get to know that on this date, that is 2nd of April, there were 2 users which faced this particular exception. Now, this was a very brief overview about exception word cloud visualization. And as I said before, that this is something which is really helpful for the developers. We look forward to having you on board with us on the Qualitex platform, and we firmly believe we can add tremendous value to our analytics and AI efforts. Thank you.